This is going to blow your mind. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was formless and empty, and darkness covered the deep waters, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the surface of the waters. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God saw that the light was good. Then he separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness night. And evening passed, and morning came, marking the first day. Then God said, "Let there be a space between the waters, to separate the waters of the heavens from the waters of the earth." And God called the space sky. And evening passed, and morning came, marking the second day. Then God said, "Let the waters beneath the sky flow together into one place, so dry ground may appear." And God called the dry ground land, and the waters seas. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the land sprout with vegetation, seed-bearing plants and trees with seed-bearing fruit." And God saw that it was good. And evening passed, and morning came, marking the third day. Then God said, "Let lights appear in the sky to separate the day from the night. Let them be signs to mark the seasons, days and years. Let these lights shine down on the earth." And so God made two great lights, the larger one to govern the day, and the smaller one to govern the night. He also made the stars. And God saw that it was good. And evening passed, and morning came, marking the fourth day. Then God said, "Let the waters swarm with fish and other life. Let the skies be filled with birds of every kind." So God created great sea creatures, and every living thing that scurries and swarms in the water, and every sort of bird, each producing offspring of the same kind. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the earth produce every sort of animal, each producing offspring of the same kind." And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let us make human beings in our image, to be like us. They will reign over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, the livestock, all the wild animals on the earth, and the small creatures that scurry along the ground." So God created human beings in his own image. In the image of God he created them, male and female he created them. Then God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply, fill the earth and govern it." Then God said, "Look, I have given you every seed-bearing plant throughout the earth, and all the fruit trees for your food. And I have given every green plant as food for all the wild animals, the birds in the sky, and the small animals that scurry along the ground." And God saw everything he had made, and behold, it was very good. And evening passed, and morning came, marking the sixth day. So the heavens and the earth were completed in all their vast array. On the seventh day, God had finished his work of creation, so he rested. And God blessed the seventh day and declared it holy, because it was the day when he rested from all his work. As we reflect on this wondrous creation, let us remember the beauty and harmony that surrounds us. May we cherish and protect this gift and find inspiration in the world around us. The end is just the beginning of our journey to appreciate and nurture the marvels of life.